Hello. Hey, we are finally getting to have lunch, breakfast around 11 o'clock. We're inside the cab doing the Qualcomm. We're at a truck stop somewhere in LA, California. What town are we in? We're in Fontana. Yay, that's where I sleep. This is today's Tuesday. That's where nice big beds. Just letting you guys know it's a really comfy truck. And this is a 2016. The 18s and 19s and 20s are a lot bigger. So we're gonna go eat. So and put on our Corona mask right here. So I'm looking for my jacket, and then we can leave. Oh. All right. Look at this. My Swift jacket. Swift. Yay. All right, we're gonna climb out this beast. Don't forget to do your 3-point dismount. Where? Don't forget to do your 3-point dismount. Exit. Oh. Sock. And then, oh, it's raining. See, there's the truck. Oh, is that hanging out? Oh man, I put it out there so it would dry. Look, my sock's hanging out. I put it out there so it dry because it got wet. Now it's getting wet again. All right, look, there's Butthead. Look at all these trucks. All right, have a great day. God bless you, and be good. And don't worry about the virus. It's all good. It's in God's hands. And just take care of yourself. I got my mask. Whoop, whoop. And I got my gloves. Don't touch any bathrooms. Don't touch any fuel pumps, door handles. Just wear gloves all the time if you go outside. And put on you. This is just a t-shirt. This is great. It keeps me warm too because it's cold. It's like 52 degrees here today. I think today's the 8th of April. Did you bring the bill? Or do you need, we don't need that paperwork? No, this is just for the weight. Okay. All right, guys, I'm having fun. Love you. See you soon, and have a great day. Bye.